up, fam? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Crystal, aka Curly Chris, and in today's video we are styling on some stretched hair, sis. I'm holding my hair because I want y'all to see how big it is when I move my hand off. Sis. Look at my hair. Oh my god, I have so much hair on my head. Like, what, Crystal? What? Wow, so we styling this today. We are styling this head of mine today. This plant is gonna get on my nerves, so let me go ahead and move this on over out the way. But yeah, y'all, big hair. Today's video we are using these things right here. I know I'm late to the party, but it's okay because I have arrived, okay? Better late than never, okay? I'm on CP time for this, but it's alright. It's gonna be just fine. We're using these today. Y'all have seen these all over the internet, these little spoolies or whatever they're called. Like, I'm not sure where we keep on getting these ideas from to try on our hair, but I'm for it. I am for it. I like it. I like the experiment. We have so many things. We had the spiral rods that I did, the wave formers that I did, the spoolie things that I'm doing. Natural hair is lit right now. Well, all the time, but most definitely right now. Lit. Hop on the wave. Before I go ahead and get into this tutorial, if you ain't part of the family, if you ain't subscribed, you have a problem. Kind of have a problem. Smash the button below. Smash it, okay? Do it for the hair, if not for me. Do it for the hair. Alright guys, so for today's video, my styler, I'm going to be using the Eden Body Works Mousse. I'm kind of skeptical about this mousse because it says on the pack that it gives like a soft hold and for wavy and curly hair texture, which mine is curly but not so much wavy. I'm kind of in the front, but I feel like they're talking about a different kind of wavy than my kind of wavy. Okay, so I'm gonna be using this, and let's hope that it does. I do get good results with it. I don't know. We're gonna see. And then also I'm gonna put a little bit of the smoothing gel on there, by As I Am, because I really do like this stuff, and just so I get like a little bit more hold if I need to. Let's go ahead and hop into the tutorial, sis. So in this pack I got 40 of them, and it's 20 of the big ones and 20 of these smaller ones. So you have the big and the small sizes. I will probably end up using the small ones in the front and the big ones in the back. I got the horses in the back. Alright, so we're going to start out on this section. And I'm switching it up. We're going to start on this side first because I didn't plan on fighting the trees today. Alright, so since we have 40 and we have 4 sections, that is 10 per section. So 10 big ones, 10 big ones, 10 small ones, 10 small ones. Check my math. Alright, let's hop into it. So let's take the mousse. Baby girl, I don't know, y'all. I don't know. Ooh. I'm gonna take a little bit of this smoothing gel as well. I think that's gonna be better. Okay, I think I'm doing this right. We're gonna put this on here, wrap it around. Okay, so I will say that when you are rolling this up, guys, you have to make sure that the part that hooks is on top. See how I have it on the bottom right now? So it is not going to hook correctly. It's going to hang instead of hook like I want it. See how it's hanging? So yeah, that's wrong. So I'm going to go ahead and redo this part and make sure that the hook part is on top. So I'm going to flip the way I twirled it and then bring the hook part on top and clamp it just like you're about to see. So that took me forever to realize that that's how it's supposed to go, and especially to apply that to all of these. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to let you guys watch me as I do this. Alright guys, so I'm in the front section. And what I've been doing is brushing the section out, of course. And then I switched to the Nairobi foaming lotion because that Eden one was not giving me enough hold like I had wanted. And I also watched some tutorials of other people who did it. And the synopsis was that it's kind of better to do it if your hair is dry versus wet because it takes a very long time to dry. So I'm happy that I'm doing this on dry stretched hair. So hopefully my drying time is cut in half because sis, I ain't got all day. I just don't. So make sure the ends are nice and smooth and tucked. Then rolling it on up. And that's it. Alright, so I'm finished. I'm done. I may have to fix some of them in the mirror, but I'm going to give y'all a quick look around, okay? And we're going to see this side, bam, okay? This side, bam, okay. So what I'm hoping is that I don't have to sit in the dryer for too long, or like I'm hoping that once I do sit under for like 2 hours that they're dry completely when I take them down. Because if they're not, I'm gonna be mad. Because I mean, I gotta go to work in the morning. You know, I'll get fired if I show up like this. I use all 40 of them, all of them, okay? So I'm gonna go hop under the dryer and I'm gonna be right back. All right, family. So I sat under the dryer for like 2 hours ish. I'm over it. If they ain't dry, they ain't gonna be dry. Okay? Let's take them out. I ain't gonna waste no time. I just wanna take them out. I feel like they dry, so we're gonna see. We're gonna see what we're working with. Alright, y'all. They ain't dry all the way.
I'm going back under the dryer.
I'm over it, guys. If they're not dry, they're not dry. Oh well.
Over it.
Taking them down. Okay, so they feel dry now. It feels dry, sis. The curl's pretty cute. Alright, sis, so this whole side is out. They look like they popping. Now I'm a little damp, but alright, I'm gonna go take this side out and we're gonna be right back. This side's out as well. Definition is popping. Let's just hope it looks like that once I unravel. So I'm putting a little oil on my hands. Let's get it. Okay. I like it. I do. I actually love it, y'all. This is bomb. Look at the definition. Okay, so I'm gonna go and stretch these out a little bit, and then we're gonna come back and see my final results. I'm gonna be right back. Okay fam, so I accidentally deleted the ending of this video. However, I was not going to delete this footage because sis, these results were too popping for me not to share with y'all. Look at this bounce and this definition, the volume, y'all. My hair was so defined, even more so than when I do like a flexi rod set or a perm rod set. Like these definitions were popping, and it also lasted me like a good amount of days. However, I will say applying the spoolies was a little bit of a technique to get down. It was pretty strenuous in the beginning. If you are not used to doing these, it will take practice for sure. However, the good thing is as long as you roll your hair on the rod and your hair is detangled, it will come out fine in the end result. And also make sure that it is dry, because y'all, I love these results. I will use these again probably. So yeah, that's my final thoughts on these products. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Are you feeling this, sis? Like, I was feeling it for sure, as you guys can see in this footage. Thanks for watching. As always, I'm gonna let y'all go ahead and enjoy some more of these clips. Thanks, fam. Love you.